I love trading.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to Excel Insights, where wisdom meets purpose. Each session, we're going to take a few moments to slow down, think deeper, and explore practical insights that strengthens our faith, our character, our leadership, and our everyday lives. Whether the topic is business, finances, personal growth, relationships, or biblical wisdom, every insight is designed to challenge your thinking and encourage wise decisions that produce lasting results. So settle in, open your heart and your mind, and prepare to discover an insight that can make a difference today. This is Excel Insights. Hey, let's begin. Y'all know what time it is, right? Man, hey, that boy CB. Hey, CB, you around, bro? Hey, yeah, dog. Yeah, Excel Insight. Boy, it's on you, big dog.
All right, so what is this that I'm feeling? My hands are getting clammy. They're getting sweaty. My heart rate's increasing. I'm getting short of breath. Man, what's going on? What's going on? It's 8:29. The market about to open up. Cortisol, is that you? Our digestive system didn't slow down. I'm feeling fidgety. Man, I'm scared. I'm scared. Why am I scared though? It's only money, but that's money you could have put somewhere else. That's money you could have seen do something better. But what's better than trading? It sounds good because you hear from everybody else. Have you experienced the better? Come on, man, stop talking to me like that, dog. We trying to do this. I'm trying to do this for us. Well, I can't see it. Well, sit back and let me do what I do. Nah, we can't do that. We got to stick to what we know. We got to stick to what we know we can do. We can't lose no more money. We can't have people looking at us like, you still doing that? You ain't made no money? Hey, man, who is this talking to me? Let me give it a name, because if I don't give it a name, I can't cure it. Who is this talking to me? Fear. Fear is you again, huh? Oh boy, we didn't have this. I didn't talk to you before about other things. You back here now? You talking about trade now? Yes, brother. You talking about trade? Nah, fear. Nope. I'm gonna give you a name, and when I give you a name, I can conquer you. You are fear. You are beneath me. You are inside of me only because I let you live there. Get up out of there. No diddy. So please understand that when you living too far in the future, it causes anxiety. When you thinking too much about the past, that's depression that creep in. Live in the here, live in the now. If you can do that, that's a gift. That's why it's called a present. This has been your Excel Insight, your boy CB, and I'm out.
Hey, dog. Hey, boy. Hey, how y'all doing? How you doing? Hey, Dr. Power. Dr. Tony, y'all do that snap. Y'all do the snap. Hey, dog. Hey, when they do the snap, Hey, that way. Hey, Vince, that boy came different this time, boy. Look at him.
That's crazy too.
Dog, bro. Everything he said is real, boy. You making any money? You making any money over there? You what you doing? Like what? Yeah, okay, yeah, dog. Hey, dog. Hey.
That was good stuff.
Name it, you can conquer it. All right.
What these new young people say, clock it.
Yes.
The young people like, no.
We're gonna need to. Yeah, I was about to say we're gonna need these older folks to stop talking to you.
Thank you for joining this week's edition of Excel Insights. We hope today's message encouraged you, challenged your thinking, and gave you practical wisdom you can apply throughout the week. Remember, growth happens one decision at a time, and wisdom becomes powerful when it is put into practice. Join us next time for another inspiring edition of Excel Insights, where we continue pursuing truth, wisdom, and excellence together. Until next time, may God bless you, guide you, and strengthen you as you continue your journey towards excellence. See you next time on Excel Insights. Samuel J. Strong III. I'm out.
Every chart, every lesson, every opportunity. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Stay thankful. Because I love trading. Samuel J. Strong. Hey, chill.